under the guidance of Dr. Shubhang Agarwal, who is the Director and HOD of Orthopedics Department of NHS Hospital. We have got a lot of new things here in this hospital, and we were among the few in the country to start with robotic surgeries. And along with that, we had the pioneering efforts in a lot of orthopedic surgeries.
So good afternoon, and thank you everyone for attending this program and making it a success. And I would like to take the opportunity to thank Dr. Ronan Roy and Dr. Natesan for giving us the opportunity to be able to host this program. And I thank all the faculty who have taken out time and traveled all the way from all over the country. And I hope that we are able to do justice to your time.
Going for the second live surgery. This is by none other than Dr. Shubhang Agarwal. Can we have a round of applause for him? This will be on his mastery, that is robotic knee surgery. We can start with another very interesting third live session by Dr. Narinder Vaidya.
I especially thank Dr. Ramesh Singh, Dr. Naresh Vaidya, Dr. Rajiv Sharma, Dr. Nilen Shah, Dr. Rakesh Rajput, Dr. Manoj Wadhwa, Dr. Avtar Singh, Dr. Sudhir Garg, Rajneesh, Dr. Abdul Ghani, Dr. Pankaj Mahindra, Colonel Satish, Dr. Hariom Agarwal, Dr. Bobby John, Dr. Rajesh Kapila, Dr. Sanjeev, and Dr. Kanha Zafar. Thank you, sir, for taking your precious time to be here and enlightening us. Thank you.